Pay attention, crypto gossipators. Things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So Shibaswap now allows you to buy and sell BONT on Shibarium using bank card and PayPal. Now this is very, very interesting stuff, guys. Remember, development after development, okay? There's always new things happening, more adoption, more exposure. And, you know, at the end of the day, if we really want to get BONT and Shibarium, you know, moving, and I mean it for real, guys, we are going to need different types of developments because it all accumulates and it all turns into one big hole, okay? So let's dive deep into this. So the team behind Shibaswap announced the development in a recent post on X. Notably, according to the team, Shibaswap CEO demonstrated the new capability in a live broadcast on the project's community Telegram group. In the broadcast, he successfully purchased BONT tokens on Shibarium network using his bank card and then sold the tokens back to Fiat, having them transferred to his PayPal account. All these transactions occurred using Shibaswap. Okay, so here it is, guys. Shibarium on-off ramp. Shibaswap has just successfully bought Shibarium BONT with fiat straight from a bank account, then sold it back to PayPal account. This has never been done before, and be able to do it soon. Okay, so notably, the Shibaswap team earlier confirmed their intention to integrate this feature as the first on-off ramp protocol tailored for the Shibarium network. They noted that the process would be seamless with no need for cumbersome KYC procedures. For context, and on-ramp features helps market participants purchase crypto assets with fiat, whereas an off-ramp protocol allows individuals to sell their assets for that fiat. The introduction of an off-ramp service for Shibarium is a pivotal moment for the expanding Layer 2 protocol. The innovative feature has caught the attention of several notable Shiba Inu community figures, including lead developer Satoshi Kusama. And Kusama replied to the Shibaswap team's announcement on X with a simple heart on fire emoji signaling excitement. Okay. And interestingly, a quick look at the Shibaswap platform indicates that the development team has already integrated the PayPal payment option. Individuals looking to leverage the surface must head to the official Shibaswap platform, enter USD equivalent of the BONT they wish to buy, and follow the on-screen prompts. So guys, you know, what I like about this, okay, and I know it may sound a little bit confusing and all that, is just we are expanding into so many different dimensions and there's so many possibilities, you know, for Shibarium and BONT. And that is the most important point here, okay? These are the type of developments that give it more credibility, that show, you know, that decentralized exchanges, DeFi, all that is linked to Shibarium. And that only becomes bigger and increases in popularity, so it really excites everyone. You know, really exciting stuff. So Shibaswap launched earlier this year as a Shibarium-based DX catering to several DeFi offerings, including token swap, staking, gaming, and NFTs. The project supports the Shiba Inu ecosystem by burning Shiba with 2% with every transaction. The Crypto Basic reported in August that the project had burned 4.5 billion Shiba since its launch. Interestingly, the team claimed to have exceeded the 7 billion Shiba Inu burn threshold in a disclosure last month. Amid the sustained support, Kusama confirmed his trust for the Shibaswap CEO when asked about his opinion on the platform. On the Shibarium Telegram group, however, he charged investors to always carry out proper due diligence. And as one of the prominent projects on Shibarium, Shibaswap's success will impact the Layer 2 network. And the recent on-off ramp feature could bolster more demand for BONT, Shibarium's gas token, as it eliminates the stress of purchasing the asset. Shibaswap is the top DX on Shibarium, boasting $341,358 in TVL. Okay, so again, you know, more will be loading up on BONT. More activity will be happening. That is very nice to also see because this is going to be talked about on social media, so that gives it more exposure. And just, in general, when people are going to be loading up on Bone using Shibarium, they will want to see like a track record, right? They want to see what has already happened, what is possible with it, what can you do it with it, what is the utility here, what's the use case, I mean, what is possible? So if all these things are possible, if it's all ready, this is going to be fantastic. Because the more of it, the stronger we're going to look for, you know, when the bull run comes. And when the bull run comes, we have to have the strongest possible token, you know, because the pump is going to really feel, okay, what it has, all the money in it, all the demand. That is how it's going to go higher and higher. Think about it, okay? We are getting ready for the big day, for the big, you know, the big final. That is the bull run. And so when we come for that bull run, we want to be integrated everywhere. We want to be listed everywhere. We want to be purchased by everyone. That is going to make that, you know, strong case for the push in price. So I am very happy with the way things are going, and I see a big future in this. I don't know if you guys feel the same way, but I believe that we need to be given, you know, this big chance to you know, show Bone's capabilities on the big stage, and the big stage is going to be the bull run. If Bone did so well in 2021 with no utility, no use case, with no name, nothing, and went over $3, okay, it seems like it's not a lot, but it is a lot since we haven't, you know, we barely managed to go over $2. So imagine with a utility and a use case, next bull run, that's gonna go crazy, okay? We are gonna see some nice numbers, and all this, okay, just gives it that much more ease, you know, being able to use your bank card, your PayPal, attaching, you know, payment platforms. Wow, you know, you look at it and you think, gosh, this is everywhere. It really is going to be everywhere. It's spreading. So if you have any thoughts about these utilities coming up, these use cases, let us know down below, okay? Feel free to talk. Also, don't forget to, you know, subscribe, turn that notifications bell on. Really get people talking about this, okay? Really engage, like, share, and most importantly, from my side, I want to say a big thank you to everyone. I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.